Welcome to the latest full house renovation by A. Perry Homes. Our goal was to completely transform the space based on our clients' goals, allowing for open concept living, lots of natural light, and formal living spaces.
One of the biggest changes we made was we opened up this former enclosed foyer with a stunning staircase transformation that now serves as the centerpiece for the entire home. We find that a mudroom is a critical part of the design and build of a home. Here, this house was designed in the late 90s and just missed a lot of the amenities that a family might expect, so it was a key part of the renovation process. Here at A. Perry Homes, we are custom architects, home builders, and remodelers. In addition to new builds, we often take on projects such as this, where we took a late 1990s house and brought it into the 2020s for a family that wanted to be in this particular neighborhood, in this particular village.